Use pre-made pastry or pizza dough and cut, fill, seal and bake. Makes approximately 4.5-inch x 3-inch pies. Close-top mold to seal and crimp. Recipes and instructions included. Red, hard plastic. Item shape, rectangular. Make your own, sweet or savory, mini pies quickly and easily. Use pre-made pastry or pizza dough and cut, fill, seal and bake. Recipes and instructions included. Makes approximately 4.5-inch x 3-inch pies. Measures 4.75-inch by 4.5-inch, 12 cm by 11.5 cm. Top reviews from the United States. Mini Pocket Pie Mold by Norpro. This mold is very easy to use. When using pre-made pie dough, I would flip the pie mold over to get the perfect size top and bottom. Then I place that pie dough in the mold bottom, then fill with pre-made pie filling, and then I would place the top of the pie dough and then press down firmly. When pulled apart, you will get a perfectly sealed hand pie. Your filling can be whatever you have the taste for. Experiment, it's fun.